Local news for Friday the 1st of November. Next week is National Cemeteries Week, and Mastertonians will have the opportunity to learn something about Masterton's Pioneer Cemetery inhabitants. A tour will take place this Sunday from 1 o'clock for anyone interested, and hosted by archivist Gareth Winter. Recreation Aotearoa have announced that Masterton's Queen Elizabeth Park has won a Green Flag Award for the second time. The Green Flag Award is an international program that recognises and rewards parks and green spaces, providing high quality and innovative recreation experiences for their communities. Masterton Police are seeking the assistance of anyone who may have seen a blue Mazda vehicle driving erratically about midday on Friday the 25th of October. That's last Friday. The vehicle was involved in a fleeing driver incident in the Lansdowne area, which was quickly abandoned due to the nature of the driving. Inquiry suggests that two pedestrians crossing Opaki Road may have been almost hit by the vehicle. And the Central Region Dragon Boat Championships are being held on Sunday at Masterton Tendy Lake, with 2K and 500 metre races for women, juniors and mixed race classes, with the first race set to go at 9 a.m. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.